I will talk about how can you add phone number or your mobile on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open with you here. So it's going to show for you like this. You're scrolling down here until you find your other mobile number. Just click on it here. So when you add mobile number, it's going to show for you list like this. Add your phone number, click on continue, then it's going to change or add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.